All right, let us quickly solve this Olympiad mass exponential problem. Okay, now this is very simple to solve. Now the first thing you do is you try to make them to look alike. Once they are alike, then you're good to go. Now I know that if I say that this is 9 raised to power x, now I want to get x minus 1. Okay, do you know that uh, 2 minus 1 will still give us this one here? Okay, I did not change anything. So minus 9 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 20. Okay, so now separate them according to indices. This is now 9 raised to power x minus 1. Let me keep it like this, plus 2. Okay, then minus 9 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 20. So now if I separate them according to indices, it's going to be 9 raised to power x minus 1 times 9 raised to power 2 according to law of indices. The reason I have this plus was because of times. Okay, then minus 9 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 20. Okay, this is now 81, so I can write it as 81 times 9 raised to power x minus 1, then minus 9 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 20. Now I can factorize. If I have 9 raised to power x minus 1, then this divided by this, I'm having 81 that is remaining here, minus this divided by itself, I'm having 1. Okay, is equal to what? 20. So I'm having that this and this is 80. So I have 80 in bracket of 9 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 20. Okay, so this and this gave us the 80. So divide both sides by 80 to have that 9 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 20 divided by 80. So 9 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 1 over 4. Now I told you according to indices. Okay, or let me just okay, let us break this down. To break this down, wait, this is saying 9 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 4 raised to power minus 1 according to indices. Now I told you that whenever the base of these two cannot break down, cannot be of the same thing, I cannot break the two of them down to look alike, I will now introduce logarithm to solve it. Okay, so I'm taking the log of both sides. So if I say log 9 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to what? Log 4 raised to power minus 1. So according to logarithm, this can go to the back. So I'm going to have that x minus 1 log 9 is equal to, this one can come to the back, to be minus 1 log 4. Okay, so divide both sides by this to have that uh, x minus 1 is equal to what? Minus log 4 over what? Log 9. Okay, so now this is now that x minus 1 is equal to minus log. Now these two steps are saying log 4 base 9. Okay, then this one can come here to have that x is equal to 1 plus log 4 base 9. Okay, according to law of indices, if the base are the same thing and they are dividing, you can throw away the base to have, so law of logarithm, sorry, you can throw away the base to have log 4 base 9. Okay, so that is the answer. That plus or minus, sorry, this is minus, not plus, because this one coming here is plus 1 minus this. So that is that. So that's the value for this. So that is that. Now, if you don't want to leave it like this, you can say that this is equal to, I hope you know that 1 is simply as saying log 9 base 9. Okay, minus log 4 base 9. Okay, so x is equal to what? Log, if I take base 9, I'm going to have 9 divided by 4. Okay, so this again can be the answer. So if you don't like this, you can take this as the answer. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow us. Thank you.